subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new budget smartphone called Lava Yuva 2 Pro. And it is the successor of the last year launched Lava Yuva Pro smartphone. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Lava Yuva 2 Pro supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has 269 pixel per inch density. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256GB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Lava Yuva 2 Pro features a triple camera setup on the rear that includes one 13MP main camera along with the two VGA sensors, and it has 5MP selfie shooter under the waterdrop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 76 by 9mm, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava Yuva 2 Pro has been priced at 7,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in glass white, glass green, and glass lavender color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Yuva 2 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.